If you want to take picture good.
It's about the background blur with the portrait.
Blurry.
The background blur with the portrait and the regular photo.
I know what you mean.
It's like more focus on the face.
Oh. Nice, man, nice. The before now. Hi guys, good afternoon. We're in Canada at the Niagara Falls. So we are looking at the Niagara Falls from where we are right now. It's so beautiful. Please like the live guys. Please like and watch the videos that are there.
Oh, so them are, do the skydiving one.
Oh, they're skydiving right now. Wow. Take a picture. Zip line. There's zip line. They're right. You know, take a picture right there. Oh. Oh, they just go to the deck right there. They don't put it across. I mean, with the danger. Yeah. Yeah. What time is it? We're going over to USA now. 2:41. Yeah. Going over to USA. Some shopping. Ah. Oh, this is one of the tree that change colors, right? Right down here. It looks like it. You don't see it? And that one here right here in front of me. You not change color when October come. Oh, that's nice with them without here so down. So beautiful. In October. Okay.
Maybe these change, but the one when we know,
Yeah.
maybe these one change because if you notice.
Cut out the leaf, look. Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
You can imagine the color change and then shape like this, how pretty they look.
Really? Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
We finish?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready, Antobab? So we're going over to the USA now. Do some other fun activities.
So it's a little higher.
Why do I feel like boys are always you. My brain's up. Why you tell me?
I'm not buying it. Why do you say that?
Well, the building's right there to get into the U.S.
Street.